Hello guys, welcome to the channel Math Ko Maths with Aditya. In this video, we'll be doing the question 8 of the exercise 4.3 of quadratic equation. So in this question, a train travels 360 kilometers the distance at a uniform speed. If the speed has been 5 kilometers per hour more, then we have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Valid because if the speed increases, time decreases, inversely proportionality. So then we have to find the speed of train. So now let's start with the solution. So guys, we are given that the distance is 360 kilometers. So first of all, let's note that D is equal to 360 kilometers. So that is the only constant thing. Now, if it's given, we have to find out about the speeds. So let the speed of the train be equal to x kilometers per hour. So if the speed is x kilometers per hour, we can easily find the time if the distance is given. So time is equal to distance upon speed. The distance 360, speed x. So time is equal to 360 upon x. So this is the first value of the time. So let's write it as t1. So t1 is equal to 360 divided by x. The latter part of the question says that if the speed would have been 5 kilometers per hour more, then we would have taken 1 hour less. So let's find the time 2. That's for the second condition. So now it's given that if the speed would have been 5 kilometers per hour more. So this means the speed would have been x kilometer per hour plus 5 kilometers per hour. So this becomes x plus 5. The speed becomes x plus 5. The distance still is constant. So the t2 is 360 divided by x plus 5. And now we have given that if you travel at a speed that is 5 kilometers per hour more, you are left with 1 hour. This means if this would have taken 5 hours, traveling at certain speed would have taken 4 hours. So we can subtract the second time from the first time, since the time 1 is greater, because more the speed, less the time, less the speed, more the time. This is what inverse proportionality means. So now if you subtract 360 divided by x plus 5, out of 360 divided by x, you are left with 1 hour. And that's what we have to write. When you subtract 360 upon x plus 5 out of 360 by x, you are left with 1 hour. Now you have to multiply, take the LCM, and now operate on the question. So this becomes x into x square plus 5x. That's the denominator. And here in the numerator you are having, in the denominator you are having x, you lag with the x plus 5. So 360 multiplied into x and 5. So 360 into x will give you a 360x, and 360 into 5 will give you 1800, because 360 into 5, so 5 zeros are 0, 6 5s are 30, 0 carry 3, 5 3s are 15 plus 3, 1800, 18. So 1800 minus 360x. So this and this gets cancelled, and this is equal to 1. So now you get that x square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0. And now since we have got a quadratic equation, the proceeding would be very easy. A is 1, B is 5, and C is minus 1800. So now you can find the value of D, that is equal to B square 25 minus of minus. So E is a negative sign, so it would become positive. 4 into 1800, that is 7200. 18 4s are 72, so 0 and 0 common. So now you get that D is equal to 7225, and this under root would give us 85. So 7225 is 85 square. Therefore, what's the value of root D? Root D is 85. And now you can easily find the value of alpha and beta. Alpha is equal to minus 5 minus of B. This is the central equation. So minus of B minus 5 plus discriminant 85 upon 2. A is 1, so 2 into a 1 will give you 1. So 85 minus 5 gives you, 85 minus 5 is 80 and divided by 2 is 40. So alpha is 40. Similarly, you can find beta. Beta would be minus 5 minus 85 by 2, that would give you minus 45. And since we are finding the speed, therefore speed can never be negative. So the only value that we have to use is 40 km. Therefore, the speed of the given vehicle is 40 kilometers per hour. We have to neglect this value since it is negative. So this was the solution for this video, and I'll meet you in the next video with the next solution. Till then, bye.